Well, now I'm settled into another campground in Wairika, and I just cooked my dinner. I have a wet burrito with cheese. I cooked in my little Road Pro cooker, and I made some tea with my portable Instapot water heater, a little thing to heat water up in, and my water, and I've got my little chocolate eggs for dessert, and I've got, so I made tea just like I make at home, and there's it's hard to see them because it's dark, but the puppers are over in their doggy bed, and it's a little dark in here, but I got my little fairy lights up, and I am just enjoying my little camping in my